I found a niche on YouTube with very low competition. This is a completely AI-generated niche which I am showing you. You can see the channel Fluffy Side Vlog. It has 265,000 subscribers, 137 videos, and over 327 million views. This channel made an estimated $3,000 in less than 5 days by creating AI-generated animal stories, primarily watched by an older audience. Literally nobody in the comments realizes the content is AI, and you can make these videos in less than an hour. Getting views is simple with short-form videos. You can see millions and millions of views on this simple animal content. Such videos are very easy to produce. For example, a simple animal rescue video of a person helping a dog gets massive attention. People are captivated by this short-form content. Millions of views come automatically. YouTube promotes this type of video heavily. This is 100% AI-generated content. So today, I will show you how to make this kind of video completely free of cost. You do not need any paid AI tool. You can start without spending any money. Look at the channel Fluffy Side Vlog. They upload both short-form and long-form videos. They have some long videos too. In just 3 weeks since starting one long-form approach, they got over 300,000 views on a video. Literally, they are mastering both YouTube Shorts and long-form content. You can easily get millions of views from YouTube. So in today's video, I will show you a simple method. I will teach you to create this video without paying for any tool. If you watch this whole video, then you will not need any paid tool. You can start your own channel for free. So, starting now, please like this video and click the subscribe button. Let's get started. So, to make a video like this, you need the right prompt. I will give you the link to the exact prompt in the description below. You'll find it easily in a Google Doc. Many people have commented on my previous video saying they could not get the exact same results as that channel. If you do not watch this video completely, you will miss a crucial new step, and you will not be able to make videos like that channel does. Watch this video completely until the end. Only then will you be able to get similar results. First, copy the first prompt from Google Docs and paste it into ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt, click Generate. ChatGPT will give you 5 topic ideas. If you think 5 ideas are not enough, you can simply command ChatGPT to give you more. You can say, give me 5 more ideas, give me 10 more ideas, or even give me 20 viral ideas. For example, let's say I ask for 20 viral ideas. From the list it provides, I will choose one. In this case, let's say I pick the 15th idea, kitten stuck in a storm drain pipe. One person comes to save it, so I have my viral topic. The next step is to generate an engaging script based on this specific idea. For this, you have to go back to the Google Docs, copy the second prompt provided there. After copying, paste it into ChatGPT. In this prompt, you will find a section in brackets like Add your topic here. This is where you need to paste the topic you selected from the first step. So copy your chosen topic and paste it directly into that spot in the prompt. Then click the Generate button. ChatGPT will create a short-form, engaging viral script for you, perfectly tailored for a 15 to 60-second video. With this script in hand, we now have the viral content we need to move on to the next stage. The next step is AI video generation using the third prompt from Google Docs. First, copy the third prompt and open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and click the Generate button. ChatGPT will ask you to provide the first paragraph of your script. This paragraph will be used to create AI prompts for your video. Scroll down to your script, copy the first paragraph, and paste it into the ChatGPT prompt box. Then click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will create your first scene for the video. You can repeat this process for each paragraph to generate the full video. For video generation, there are many AI tools. Some are paid and some are free. Tools like Sora 2 or Veo 3 are very powerful. However, since I have no budget just like many of you, I will use a free AI tool for this demonstration. I already have a video on how to use Sora 2, and its link will be in the description below if you want to check it out. For our tutorial, let's go to Sora 2 and make an account. Once you open Sora 2 and create your account, you will see the main interface. Find the prompt box. Here, you will copy the prompt that ChatGPT gave you and paste it into this box. Next, go to the Settings button. Set the expected aspect ratio to 9:16 and the video duration to 10 seconds. After this setup is complete, click the Generate button. After clicking Generate, check the bottom of your screen or your main profile area. Click on the default folder to see your video processing. As you can see here, our video is being generated. Within a few seconds, the video is ready. Let's take a look at the result. As you can see, this result is correct in terms of following the prompt. Sometimes, the first result might not look perfect, but you can adjust your prompt slightly and regenerate until you get a good video. So the next step is to take the second paragraph prompt from ChatGPT. Copy that new paragraph, paste it into the chat box, and click the Generate button again. A new video prompt will be provided. Copy this new prompt and go back to Sora 2. Paste this second prompt into Sora 2, leave the settings the same, and generate the video into your default folder. As you can see, the video is now ready, but the result is not similar to the first one. We need a consistent, similar style and quality across all our video clips. This is the wrong approach. This AI tool cannot maintain the constancy we need for the whole video. You can see the difference. The second result is not a good match for the first. This is a very problematic issue. We need consistency. Therefore, since Sora 2 is not giving us a good uniform result, we will switch and use VEO 3 instead. So you need to go to flow.labs.google.com. Here, when you sign up, you get 100 free credits. With these credits, you can easily generate 5 videos because generating one video costs 20 credits. First, click on flow.labs.google.com. Then create an account or log in with your Google account. You will see a new interface. Click on New Project, and a new interface will open. Here, you will paste your prompt in the first text box. Then, go to the Settings button. Set the expected aspect ratio to 9:16. Set the number of videos to 1 or 2, according to your needs. There are many AI models available here. Whichever model you choose, it will use your credits. Here, 5 to 6 models are available, like VEO 3, VEO 3.1, VEO 2, and more. You can choose any of these models. For a good result, choose VEO 3. I will select a model randomly for now. After that, then click on the Generate button. Once you click Generate, your video will start rendering. Within a few seconds, your video will be ready. You can preview it. If you don't like it, you can regenerate it. You can also edit your prompt again, go to the settings, and change the number of videos to generate more options. I generated 2 videos to compare. As you can see, one of these 2 is good, so I will take this one. Now we will use this as the base to create a complete video with consistent characters. For that, click Add to Other Scene or a similar button. Upon clicking, a main editing interface will open. Here, you simply need to drag this timeline to the end and click on the plus icon or the expand button. After clicking, this interface will appear. Here, to add the next scene, you need its prompt. So, come back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt that we made earlier. Your next video will be ready. Now you have to get the third prompt we prepared from the same tab. I already have these 3 prompts from earlier. Click the expand button again and generate the video. You have to go back to ChatGPT to get more prompts. Our first 3 prompts are ready, but we need the 4th prompt for the next scene. So scroll down in your script and copy the next paragraph. Half of the script's videos are done and half remain. I copy this next part of the script, go back to ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt, and click Generate. Now our 4th prompt is ready, I copy it. After copying, go back to flow.labs.google.com. Here you have already clicked the plus icon. Now click on the expand button in the timeline, paste the new prompt, and click Generate. Our next video is ready. Repeat this step. Copy the next paragraph of the script, take it to ChatGPT again to create a new video prompt, then take that prompt back to flow.labs.google.com to generate the scene. Continue until your entire video is complete. Once finished, you can download the final video. Now that your video is downloaded to your device, the next step is to add captions. We will edit this video using Cupcut. You can download Cupcut from the link in the description below. Open Cupcut and click the import button to bring in your video. Drag and drop it onto the timeline to start editing. To add captions, look for the Text or Captions button. You will see options on the side. After clicking, choose your language and click Generate. Cupcut will automatically generate captions for your video. The captions will appear on the right side. You can customize them, change the color, font, size, or edit the text. Now our video is almost ready, it just needs music. Remember, you should add music while uploading to YouTube Shorts to avoid copyright issues. On YouTube, if you use a mobile phone, you can easily browse and add trending music directly from the platform before publishing. So before we finish, here is the final video result. If you want to get the exact prompts, links, and all the AI tools I used, everything is in the description below. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Now let's preview our final video.
Guys, look at this. I couldn't believe my eyes. There's a tiny kitten stuck in this storm drain.
I was walking home, and the rain was pouring like crazy. Then I heard the tiniest meows.
I grabbed a towel and gently reached in, and I was so scared it might slip away or get hurt. Look at this little guy. I got him out and wrapped him in a towel.
He was shivering so much. And he started purring instantly. And now, look at him. Safe, warm, and full of energy. I never thought a random walk in the rain would end like this.